Namaskar, Shasriya Kal, everybody. Welcome you all at mighty heaven circle. If there is heaven on the earth, it is here, it is here. I, Kuldeep Sanjan, presents you a beautiful, exquisite glimpses from the Sarthal Valley. A beautiful, charming, exquisite, panoramic view from the Sarthal Valley, Sarthal Meadow. Behind me, you can find the bay from Basoli, Bani to Bhadrava Marg. This is Bani Basoli Bhadrava Road. So it is situated on Bani Basoli Bhadrava Road, which is about 20 to 25 kilometer away from Bani Tehsil. You can go from this road to next Bhadrava, Doda district, then Kishtwar. You can also proceed to Kashmir as well. This is the shortest track from Pathankot towards Srinagar. And in upcoming times, it will be more widened and comprehensively, constructed by the VRO. I sincerely salute our BRO, Gorkha battalions, and the military forces to construct this beautiful road towards this beautiful location and giving us a beautiful, exquisite site to visit and cherish ourselves, refurbish ourselves, rejuvenate ourselves from the trauma, depression, anxiety, and frustrations. We feel it, we are heaven on earth. Sincerely, we are a solo travelers, so we visit here, we cherished the way people treat us, cooperate us. We literally found out of the box. We are so happy, delighted, and the time spent here is worth it, really worth it. I recommend you all, please do visit here. If you are affectionate of snow, then you can definitely visit here. If you are also affectionate of cold, then you can also visit here with your family, friends, and whatever you can. So you can also play here cricket games. Behind me you can see the hotels, meadows. Here is a beautiful meadows. All sorts of species, enriched species found here. Mostly nomads are also there. Beautiful, beautiful speeds are famous across JNK from Sarthal. So many people take sweets from here and distribute among their goods ones from here. So you can also take. Then let me show some figure and points of Sarthal Point. If you really want to visit here and want to refurbish and enjoy yourself, then definitely visit here. I am presenting you some glimpses because I am the resident of Tehsil Bani. In this way, I can provide you a more important, crucial fact and figures, exact location of Sarthal. Friends, Sarthal Valley located in Tehsil Bani of District Kathua. District Kathua falls under the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, which is an integral and inalienable part of India. So it is around 20 to 25 kilometer away from Tehsil Bani. Double lane road you will find here, no difficulty. All over mineral organic water you will find here, no need of fridge water. You will come here, just enjoy the water. Then you will proceed here. You will find the greenery over there, fresh breeze, pure oxygen to inhale. Every disease is little bit, your headache, your stomach, abdomen issues, everything will lost here once you will landed here. Yesterday we visit here, then we proceed towards Chhatargala, then Goldanda. We proudly recommend this, sincerely recommend this. You will spend here her time, you will really appreciate it and worth it. I sincerely urge before you, please recommend your friends, families, or relatives to visit here. Please do visit here. This is a exquisite, beautiful place to enjoy. Thank you so much.
You can say the most populous and green valleys, very fantastic, splendid greenery trees are Cheed, Devdar, aesthetic place, greatest rich ecosystem with the greatest flora and fauna. The most animals are here: leopards, lions, bears, and other vulnerable species you can easily find here. Recently, there has been multiple attacks by the bear and leopards to the local nomadic peoples, but that is not a matter of concern. People and the animals live here very socially, so there is a good bond between the animals and the local peoples here. You can see the road connectivity is there. We are very much thankful to the Indian Army and the Border Road Organization that at such an altitude of 11,000, we are getting such a wonderful, splendid road connectivity with full safety features. Every safety audit is made here, and with I can proudly say that this initiative by the Indian Army BRO is really a splendid, a handful, a big salute to the BRO. At the upward hills, you can say again this splendid steed, Devda tree. These are the real treasure here. If someone is suffering from negativity, depression, or any other orthodox thoughts, I request everyone, please do visit here. The beauty, the serene beauty it shares. It calms everything. It gives every positive vibes that is nowhere supposed to be available. So you can see here, it's a newly made orchard for apples, high quality apples. After 2 to 3 years, apples will be grown here, and this area will be also apple rich. So you can easily get apples here. In this valley, you can see newly made hotels. People have really started construction of hotels here. Availability of foods, water, shelter at very reasonable and cheaper rates, unlike other parts of India. People are so good in nature, so genuine, honest, that you can easily trust even then, unless you know that after Pahalgam attack, the image of the JNK is a little bit shredded. But you can practically come here, you will find every good people and the real quality of people you will be here. So at the very high, a little bit high altitude, you will find there is a mandir, there is a Gorkha regiment who is protecting this majestic place day and night, and there is not even a single slack of security negligence. We are again very thankful. A big salute to the Gorkha regiment who are protecting this land with the huge snow. After 13 to 14 days, you will find this whole area will be covered with the sheets of snow, and no visibility, no availability of man and resources will be here. So upper a little bit 100 to 200 feet, you will find there is a Shitala Mata temple. Shatrkala is the place. Still there is a snowfall. Still there is a huge shelter of snows. BRO and Indian Army is still constructing the roads. Everything is possible there. You cannot even nightmare. You cannot even think in nightmare that such road connectivity at a high altitude of 12,000 feet, Indian Army and Border Road Organization can available here. So trust on your army. Respect your army. It's really a marvel. It's really a miracle. So this is another initiative, a very good initiative. Solar plants have also started here. I request everyone, please do visit here. Do visit once in a life till the time you are on this majestic planet. Do visit, see the place, explore the area, see the place, cherish this area. This place is made only for tourism. Please, and also aware to the kins, to your friends, to the peoples, there is no need to go Thailand, Malaysia, and other aesthetic places. This is one of the places. This is made for tourist destination, and please do come enjoy.